So hello guys, in this video we will talk about a special thing which is that I have used PowerPoint, Word, Excel, everything in my computer, but I have ever seen that it can be worked on mobile. So let's check out. At first, for doing this, you need to download an application from Google Play Store. At first, open your Play Store, then type Office 365, then go here. The size of this application is only 87 MB. Click on install and wait. I am just fast forwarding the video. So now we can see 91% is completed. So it is installing now. Let us wait a second. As we can see that Office 365 is been successfully installed. Now let us open it. Here is the application. This one is the application. I'm just moving it there. Then just click on Office. Then whatever it will come, only click on allow. Please wait a second. It is checking the account. I have no account already, but why it is checking I don't know. Now click on get started. Now click on next. Then click on don't send optical data. If you want to send the optical data from your mobile to your office, then you can click on accept and send optical data, or if you don't want to do it, just click on don't send optical data, then just close it. Click here, take notes, capture scans, or create Word, Excel and PowerPoint files. Click here, then go to the blue icon that you can see. So here is the main things that I can see. There is Word, there is Excel, there is PowerPoint. So for doing any Word file, just click on blank document here. Just click on it, and it's specially 2016 version, so don't worry, you can get every feature that you want. You can get all the things whatever you can see the computer stylist Office version. I'm just closing it. Then for doing Excel, you can go here or here, blank workbook. Click on it. Then you can get informations that you needed. Here is that. Everything you will get here, don't worry. I already said that it is 2016 version. For doing any presentation, click on blank presentation here. Click on it. And you can type anything that you want. Every feature you can find here. Pasting pictures like this. Doing it here. Bring it forward, bring it duplicate, copy the format, everything you can do here. Don't worry about that. This is mobile, here is nothing, you can find features. Don't worry about that. And you can also find a hint option. The bulb you can see. Tell me what you want to do. Just click on it. Which feature you cannot find in the mobile, you can just type it here. I am just typing color. So now I can see many things here. It comes like ink color, changing outline color, and this all. This was the application that was helpful for me also for doing my work in my mobile. Whatever presentation in my school they gave me, all the things I do in my Office 365. As you can see, many things are being done here. So this was all. So bye everyone, see you next time.